you don't know how to answer this question, then you are not ready for any chemistry exam yet. Now let's check. Calculate the volume of 0.200 molar of sodium carbonate, which contains 53.0 gram of sodium carbonate. Now, from here, what we can actually see here is that we have concentration, which is 0.02 molar, right? And we have mass. So we have mass here, we have concentration. Now, what is the question? The question asks for volume. So we are looking for volume. We have concentration, mass, and volume. What you have to do is that you think about a formula that relates volume, concentration, and mass. And how do you get that? The simplest of it, you don't have to cram. You only need just one formula. And what is the formula? N equals to CV. You know, N is your mole, V is your concentration, and your V is the volume. Now, since we are looking for volume, you make volume the subject. So volume equals to N over C. But are we given mole? Of course, no, we're not given mole, but we're given mass. And you remember that mole equals to mole, which is the same thing as N equals to mass over molar mass, right? So what is the mass given? We have 53.0 gram, and the molar mass of sodium carbonate, we have 2 sodium, that's 23 times 2, right? Then we have 1 carbon plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So that means we have 53.0 divided by 23 times 2 is 46 plus 12 plus 48. So by the time you calculate that together, you're going to have 53 divided by 106 gram per mole. This is gram and this gram per mole. So we can easily have 0.5 mole. So we have 0.5 mole. So we can input that here. We can have volume equals to 0.5 divided by what our concentration is 0.200, and your volume will be 2.50 liter. So that shows that the correct answer here is option C, 2.50 liter. I hope you understand how we did it and you learned something new today. See you in the next video.